creation of new companies. Don't worry, because we are doing practicals after some time, like after 20 minutes. The same thing we are explaining, we are doing definitely today problem, this one in the software. So creation of new companies, creation of new company. In the create company option, this create company option, we have to put enter. Create company option, we have to put enter. This create option, you just make it in the box. Select company, make it in the box, and the create company option put in the box. Box in the sense for highlighting. After selecting, because the cursor will come here, cursor we have to take it, select the create company and put enter. So put enter again, we are getting a new screen. We are getting a new screen. That screen is called company creation screen. Company creation screen. In that screen, we have to write our company name. Company name. Company name. What is the company name we are giving? For example, is PSF Training Institute. Company name, PSF Training Institute. So we have to give all like name, address, like state and all that. Yani ki complete company information. We have to give it. Company detail information. Detail information in the sense like area, country, area, state, that is you have to mention Telangana state, Telangana state, and a country you have to select India. Okay, so these are the things we have to do in that. So 1 minute, I'm sharing the screen. So first of all, because I'm writing this like a message on like that one. Create company.
Screen is not visible, sir.
One. Create company folder. Create company folder screen you have to select in that, because these are steps.
No, your screen is not visible.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. I just give like that with the permission for the screen. I just like give tell to that one. हरीश भाई स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं आ रहा जरा. अच्छा खलील भाई ठीक है चलो. ठीक है चलिए। So now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
The first of all, actually, because some technical issues there, I just solved it because of technical things. I just solved just now after some time. Like again, next session, we just like do this that one because like so in that most important thing is that because I'm writing here the steps. So first of all, again, work in education mode, we have to select it and put enter. We are getting a new screen, and in that the screen we have two options will come. First of all, create company. In that create company, that is used specially for creating for creation of new companies. And like select company option is used for what? Is for old companies. Old company in the sense, for example, in my Tally software, I'm having 20 companies because I'm working for 2 years. I'm working for 2 years. In these 2 years, I have 20 companies. 20 companies. So 20 companies in this means what? It's an old form. 20 companies. 20 companies means that it is having almost like 20 companies. It's a old companies information. But if you want to create a new one, so we have to select create company folder option. In that create company, then again you have to put enter. After selecting this option, then put enter. We have to put enter. We are getting a new screen. Screen name as like company creation screen. This is a screen name. In this screen name, we have to mention each and everything, complete information, where the company is located, area, state, Telangana state, country is in India. Why? Because in Tally is also in many countries. So in that option, it is there in many countries. Only you have to select which country here? India. India. India have to select. Tally is there. Tally is there in UK. Please, after like give an answer, make it as mute, please. After please, because please.
पहले तो ये पता करिए कि वहाँ की वैल्यू कितनी है, मतलब जैसे आप कितने हजार
अच्छी जगह है वो।
आदिल मोहम्मद,
after giving an answer, after making an give an answer, make it as mute. Please mute it. Please mute it. Please make it.
Adil Mohammed, please mute yourself.
Please make it as mute. Make it as.
Adil Mohammed, please mute yourself.
Please make it as.
Tiger, monkey, fox. Mr. Adil Mohammed.
Please make. Please make it as mute. So here the option is we are getting as company's creation screen, the new company. In this we have to select, we have to write the type the company name and complete information like where it is located, area and state you have to also mention, and even Telangana state we have to mention. It is there many countries. Tally not only in India, Tally is there in Dubai, UK, Australia, international countries is there. In this option only you have to select only India or complete information. Okay. And after that, we having some in the company creation screen, some important points. What important points? Because I will explain like 12 o'clock again. I just install this one. After installation again, we'll do this problem. Definitely. Important points. In these important points, first of all, important point is that book financial year date. Book financial year date. Book financial year. In this, you have to mention the year which we are doing the work. Year is also mentioned. The software accept 1st April date. 1st April. 1st April in the sense because Indian calendar will start from 1st April. So it will select as 1st April, and it is also some technical things is there. Book financial date, system by default select. System what? By default select this year. Why? Because this is Indian calendar. Because Indian calendar. And even we have some technical issues in that. Technical in the sense, by default, if the date is there, please do not change the date. Do not change the date. We should not change the date. Okay, we should not change the date. If you want to change the, by default we have to not. Why? Because for example, we had done 6 months work in the software. Means original software we had done, or whatever of the software, like pirated version, duplicate version, or original version. If the data is there, if you are creating in a company, this date automatically software will take it. This date automatically taken by the software. Okay, automatic. If the cursor is coming to this important point, the system automatically take 1st April. Just you listen that what is there in practical, I will explain it. Only just listening like the question, because if you're practical, you can ask questions in that.
Sir, will you please maximize the window?
1 minute. So most important thing is that system automatically take the 1st April date. We should not change the date. Why? Because data is there. If you want to change the date, data overwritten. Means if your data will be lost, data will be overwritten. Why? Because system by default take 1st April date. One question will be there. Why the system take 1st April? Because it's an Indian developed software. Whatever the Indian softwares, system automatically take 1st April date. Whatever all Indian softwares, this is very important point. Indian softwares accept this date automatically. Why? Because it's Indian manufacture. Any software, but international software, that is different. They will accept for 1st January. So if the data, because if you are starting a work, and in that even 6 months data is there in that, we should not change the date. Why? Because by default is there. We can change it according to a requirement when our work, according to our requirement. Okay, by mistake, if you have requirement, correct setting should be there, because according to requirement we'll make correct setting. Because by mistake we are not doing anything. Without planning we will do, means correct setting. So in that automatically is there. By mistake if we change the date, the data, chances of losing our data. So the most important thing is that one important point in that, we should not change the date. How it is possible, we'll explain in the software. But important point is that whatever the data is there, we should not disturb anything in that. If the data is there, if data is not there, we can change the date. But data is there. If you want to make any changes, data will be lost. If there is no data, no problem, you can change the date. But data is there. If you try to make any changes by mistake, if any files get disturbed, your data will be lost. Data in the sense your company data will be lost. But how it is there in practical, we'll explain that screen. Don't worry, because we are going the practical part. It's not like theory part problem we are doing. It's all about all practical. And coming to that, even it is having security control option. Security control option means that we can have security control having two options. But again, what is security control? Security control in that my system should not, it's secure. My system should be secure. No one should see my system, because it's accounting work is a secret work. It's a very important work. It's a secure work. No one should will do that. So first options in the security control options, because data accounting data is very important. It should have username and password. For that only they had created security control. In security control, we have two options. First one, it's called tally volt password. Tally volt password. Tally volt password is a critical password. Tally volt. In the while doing in the practicals, they will give some like warning. Warning. They will do the warning. We have to see detail. We have to see how warning they are giving. It is there in the software. I'll explain. I will tell you this important point in tally volt password. We can use the password, okay, but we should memorize the password. This is very important. If you are creating the password, we should remember. We should remember this password. If we lost the password, if you, for example, we are remembering the password, remember the password. Okay, remember the password. And you can edit also, edit the password also. How can we edit the password? By knowing the previous password. So how we are editing? For example, if my password is there, I can edit it. On what basis I can edit it? On the previous basis, I edit the software. I will change the password on the previous basis. On the previous basis, I can change. But the thing is that I had forgotten the password by mistake. Forgotten the password. So what will happen? If you had forgotten the password, this tally volt password, you will lose your data. Lose your data. And this is, we call it as unbreakable password. Unbreakable password. Unbreakable password in the sense, no one can break the password. Even tally people. But what is the logic here? If you know the password, if you remember the password, you can edit it. But here the very important point is that the forgetting of password. This very important point, forgetting. If you're forgetting the password means, that means you will lose your data. This is very critical. So many customers, what they are doing? Maximum customers, what they are doing means they are not putting tally volt password, because first option, many customer will not use this password. Why? Because it's unbreakable password. Unbreakable password in the sense no one can break it. But logic behind what? Logic is that if you're forgetting, you're forgetting. If you remember, you can use it, because if you are expertise in memorizing the password and all that, you can use this password. Why we are using the password? Because our accounting word is very secret for us. This is very important point. But and again, if you're forgotten, अगर आप भूल चुके समझिए password, इसका मतलब आपका data चले गया. ये very important point है. अगर आपको याद है, that will happy, you can change. आप change भी कर सकते हैं. But अगर आप भूल गए तो कोई भी आप उसका ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. अगेन सेकंड ऑप्शन, इसमें फर्स्ट ऑप्शन टैली वोल्ट का था. सेकंड ऑप्शन इट्स इजी ऑप्शन है, जस्ट ओनली सिक्योरिटी कंट्रोल, ओनली यानी कि सिक्योरिटी कंट्रोल. दैट मींस दैट इट्स अ ब्रेकेबल पासवर्ड. इट इज अ ब्रेकेबल पासवर्ड. इट इज ब्रेकेबल पासवर्ड. This is the breakup. ये break कर सकते हैं. Even what? Even if you forgetting also. अगर आप even आप भूल चुके भी है, you can change. even if you're forgetting the password also, don't worry. Even Tally technical peoples, Tally peoples will break this password. But because why? Because it's a simple breakable. But the first one software is even this shows the warning, because this warning I will explain, because while doing the practice in the like practice sessions, by seeing you will see we will get an, because I am in the bracket, I am putting in the brackets in the sense because these are the important points. We will see the warning also. Okay, these are the, like, we call it as features. What we are talking are the important points. It's about features of Tally. Features of Tally. And first one, the security control. Tally Vault password means it's a breakable password. And security control is it's a breakable even if you've forgotten the password. We can use. Why we are using the password? Because our secret work for accounts. No one should know access system. So that's when it's where security person. And again, other features of Tally, it's you having an audit features. It is there in audit features. This all I'm talking about what? This all about I'm talking about company creation screen. All are coming in the company creation screen. What I'm talking about, it's all company creation screen only. And this creation company, create company, and I will add one important point, important like step. We call it as, why I will write one step here, because this is very important. To create a new company or to select and old company, shortcut key is, because I'm again writing on the bracket, Alt plus F1. Alt plus F1. This is for what? This is for real time, yani ki original. This is for what? In which, so it will come original software. Original software will come. That means real time. But in demo version, I'm writing here, in this demo version, this work in education mode will come. Because again, it's an which version? Demo version. In this demo version, this screen will come, but in the real time, what is the shortcut key here? In the real time, what will get as Alt plus F1 screen. So in the real time, if you select a company, this folder, you will get Alt plus F1 by shortcut key. But in the demo version, we have to select work in education mode. This is very important, but the screen will be like same, but here the shortcut key Alt plus F1 should come. What we're talking about, it's all company creation screen. We are doing theory after like half an hour. If you see in the practicals, this all same things will come. So it is easy for us to study. And audit features. What do you mean auditing? Audit features means what? We can use auditing also. Auditing in the sense, auditing the vouchers and ledgers, and to know how much how much is profit we are getting. Before we are giving data to auditor. Auditor will do the auditing because it's not our work. Only auditors will do. But in Tally, we have audit features. That means we can do auditor work. We can do audit features. We can do auditing. So clear? This is all about company creation screen. After giving this one, we have to, the cursor is moving because step by step information you have to give, and cursor is moving, and at last stage put enter many times we are getting one box. That means accept box, because I am writing this one. We are seeing in the practicals what I am writing is exactly practicals. Accept box. After this box again we put enter. So after this box, if you put enter means the company gets safe. What means company gets safe? Company gets safe. That means our only company information will get the screen. Company gets safe. In the heading it show company name, company name as PSF company. Then we have steps. That means only we had done that work. So after that, then we will complete this problem. Again, this problem we have to write in Tally. Okay. This problem we are doing in the Tally. Cash account data to Ravi Capital, furniture account data to cash account, machinery account data to capital account. In this PSF company, we are doing this 5 transaction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I like give some time. I will explain same thing in practicals, and even highlighting also, like that means that in the brackets I'm giving. what I'm brackets exactly it will come into the software. That in the bracket, how we are getting a new screen in the bracket. And even I mentioned the shortcut key also, Alt plus F1. This again it's coming because in the bracket, that means that is our important work. This is for original one. And again, if you go the demo version, because we are practicing demo version. In this demo version, we are getting this screen. Even I'm writing in the bracket also, work in education mode. After that, what I written, put enter. We are getting a new screen. We are getting a new demo version. And in that, I want to mention silver user and like gold user, you can put it. Then we are getting a new screen. This screen will come, company creation screen. In this screen, we have two options, select option and create options. So the create option, again, we are getting a new screen. In this new screen, what we have to type? We have to write this company. What is the company name? The PSF. There I am again writing on bracket. And again, I am putting in the bracket. In the just beside I'm write type. Type means what? Type in the words is a typing work. Typing work. That means we have to type with a keyboard because the cursor is coming here. Because the same and putting on a practical. If you sit on the system, if there is a tally folder, if you see these notes, step one by one, it will automatically come. Because I'm giving exactly practical notes. So typing work. Type in the work, that means we have to type with our keyboard. PSF company screen will come. How we are doing? Type. Type in the sense means what? It's a typing work. We have to with a typing keyboard. That means PSF we have to type. Okay. After that, company details we have to give, where is located. Then we have to give Telangana state. And again, we have to select country India. And even I had mentioned the different countries also there. Only you have to select it. So I'm writing is here, right? Just beside this options. Option in the sense we call it as select and pick it. Select and pick it in the sense pick it. Select and pick it in the sense only we have to pick this one. Again in the state. Again state Telangana. Again I'm writing a bracket. Bracket in the sense because this is highlighting and it will come. So again I'm writing select option. Again what we call it as select and pick it. Select and pick it in the sense in that menu option is there, only we have to pick this one. So likewise, so while same in practicals, it will come step by step. Main thing is step by step it will come. So audit features. So likewise, so after this give some like 5-10 minutes after that, we'll same I will explain in the software. Silver user, gold user, how to start that one. And again, we have to complete this problem. The same problem we have to do. In this first step will be there. First step is what? Creation of ledger in Tally. Like, so we'll complete this problem. Shall we complete this problem? Rent paid I had written. Trial balance we have to do, only trial balance. Last things is left, trial balance. The same problem we are doing on the Tally. Why the company, what is the company name? PSF Training Institute. In this, this problem will do and it will come 98,000 automatically. So now we are doing a trial balance. That means what is a trial balance? What the trial balance means? Trying our accounts. My question, listen my question carefully. Cash balance, where is the cash balance here? Cash balance kahan par hai? It's here. Cash. How much is the balance is there? Balance kitna hai? Carried on amount, which is there in debit side or credit side? Balancing amount is debit side is there, credit side is there. Balancing amount, carried on amount is debit side or credit side? Debit side, it's what? देखिए debit side how much it's getting? Debit side how much we are getting? 58,000. See here, debit side how much we are getting? 50 plus 8 how much? 50 plus 8 58,000. 58, 50 plus 8. So total how much is again? 54,500 plus 500. This is 55. 56 again plus 3. 50, 55, 56, 58. It will come as 58. It's get balance. So my question is that balancing amount is there in debit side or credit side? Balancing amount is debit or there in credit? बैलेंसिंग अमाउंट डेबिट में है या क्रेडिट में है? कैश बैलेंस का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इट्स व्हाट? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इट्स कॉल्ड डेबिट साइड. इसको which side is mean? This is a debit side. Debit means again plus. Debit means plus, and again I will write in the bracket. Bracket in the sense you easily get identified. And this side is what? Credit side. Every ledgers you can write this one. Minus. Credit means what? Minus. My question. Balancing amount is debit side or credit side? Anyone can tell the answer? Why? Because this problem we are doing tally now. Why? Because after like setting, because after 10-15 minutes again I will explaining this one in software. Balancing amount is there in credit side. Why? Because 50 plus 8, 58,000. This 54,000 is which side? It's on credit side. 54,000. This is the balancing amount. I am again writing in the bracket. This is the balancing amount. So this balancing amount is which side? Which is there in credit side. A credit side exactly opposite. Credit side exactly opposite on debit. So we can write as 2 cash. Only balancing amount, right? How much balancing amount? 54,500. Only balancing amount. This is there in credit side. Credit side exactly opposite debit. Only balancing amount I am writing. This balancing amount I am writing, which is there in credit. Credit exactly opposite debit. Okay. Next is what? Ravi Capital. Ravi Capital balancing amount debit side or credit side? Balancing amount is which side? Balancing amount in the sense, because wherever the balance is there, we call it as balancing. So which is there in what? Debit side. Now here, left hand side it's called debit side, because writing here, left hand side it's called debit side, right hand side it's called credit side, because it will come all common. Left hand side debit side, right hand side credit side. This balancing amount which is there in debit or credit, balancing यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है डेबिट में, यहाँ बैलेंसिंग यहाँ ऊपर कैश में क्रेडिट में था, अब यहाँ बैलेंसिंग अमाउंट यहाँ पर डेबिट में है. तो डेबिट का एग्जैक्टली उल्टा क्या होगा? क्रेडिट. सो अगेन यू हैव टू राइट बाय रवि. बाय रवि लिख के हाउ मच इज द बैलेंसिंग अमाउंट? 50,000. कितना है देखिए आप अमाउंट यहाँ पर, रवि का बैलेंसिंग अमाउंट कितना है? 50,000. ये भी क्लियर होगा. Debit exactly opposite credit. I am writing on the credit side. After Ravi, what is coming? Machinery. Machinery balancing amount. Balancing amount debit में है या credit में है? Balancing amount machinery का. It is there in which side? Machinery amount. Balancing amount debit में है credit में है? Balance यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है. That means it's a credit side.
Yes.
Credit exactly opposite. क्रेडिट का एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? डेबिट. दैट मींस ये मशीनरी बैलेंसिंग अमाउंट, ओनली वी आर पिकिंग बैलेंसिंग अमाउंट. दिस बैलेंसिंग अमाउंट क्रेडिट में है, तो इसको मैं कहां पर लिखा? डेबिट में लिखा. वो बिकॉज सिर्फ ओनली अकाउंट्स में ओनली डेबिट क्रेडिट लॉजिक, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. मशीनरी अमाउंट 40,000. Correct. After machinery, which amount is there? Ali. Ali, balancing amount, debit is there or credit is there? Ali, balancing amount, debit is there, credit is there? Debit, because here two balance carried down. So debit exactly opposite. Debit का exactly opposite क्या होता है?
Credit. Credit.
Credit. So again we have to write by which one? Ali. Ali we have to write. Ali, how much amount? How much amount? 40,000 we have to write it. Very good. Next. After Ali, which one is there? Raju. Raju, balancing amount, debit side is there or credit side is there? Raju, balancing amount,
Debits.
debit side. Debit exactly opposite?
Credit.
Credit. We have to write Raju. Amount?
8,000.
8,000. Next. What is the next one? अभी next कौन सा बचा है? Rent paid.
Rent paid.
So rent paid, balancing amount. So I am writing here balancing amount यहाँ पर लिखना है. Sorry, I have not written 500. यहाँ पर लिखना है balancing amount. So balancing amount is debit side or credit side is there?
Credit side.
Credit side. So credit side exactly opposite
Debit side.
debit side we have to write. So two rent amount how much? 500.
5.
So tell me the calculation. Now we'll do calculation. अभी कितना होता बोलिए? 54 500 plus 500. How much?
55.
55. So 55,000. 55,000. And again ये कितना हो गया? 98. And still one is missing. Machinery है, cash है, कितना होगा? 55. 55 बोले तो 95. 40,000 machinery, cash, rent. Furniture I'm missing. Furniture. Because furniture entry will be there. And we had with the furniture entry. Furniture 3,000. Because here 3,000 is not mentioned. So again, this furniture, it will come here. Again, you have to create one ledger for furniture. So it will come as furniture. $3,000. अब बोलिए कैलकुलेशन अभी कितना होगा? How much? 54,000 plus 500, 55,000. 55,000 plus 3,000, 55, 56, 58, 58, 58, 58,000 plus 40,000. It will coming as 98,000. 98,000 it's coming. So this is debit side, 98,000. And again here right hand side how much? 50,000 plus 40,000. How much? 90,000. 90,000 plus 8,000. 98,000. It means it's get tally. So that means the same problem we are doing in the tally. Only thing is tally technology is there. We are creating this one lengthy. Only thing is that in tally, if you pass this 5 journal entry, automatically everything will come in that. Clear? No, but we had done just little bit an idea how to create a company in that. So again, after some time, like give some time, I will just do like the technical things, what problem in that, I will just rectify that one. It will come automatically. But here we have to mention this basic step number 1, Alt plus F1. If you are, if I start the software, the same step by step, I'm giving the notes, and even like highlighting, brackets, put enter, automatically one by one screen will come. So while if your software get open, if you open that your book, so step by step steps will be there. It will done within like 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. Clear everybody? And don't worry about the software. In that software, what we have to creation of a company, creation, deletion of a company, edit how we are doing, how we pass the cash vouchers, like payment vouchers, how we'll do after sales, sale, purchase, sales return, everything. Don't worry about, because I will just rectify the software and we'll just See, can you give 10 minutes time so that I can explain a little bit? We require 10 minutes break. So like you get an idea this one?
Sure, sir.
Only thing is that the manual thing, like debit what is coming, credit what is coming, and like the same screen, while if you're doing in the practice, it will come automatically. Just give the 10 minutes time so that I just adjust and I will explain that one. Just I need 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay. Everybody got the screen? Double click on Tally folder. We are getting a new screen. Screen name, startup screen. So everybody see here, same screen, startup screen. This startup screen I'm getting. So after work in education mode, see here, work in education mode. Then put enter. Put enter. We are getting a new screen. Then demo version. Either select silver mode or gold mode, then put enter. So I select single user and that put enter. So again, we have the basic shortcut key number 1. I had written here. Shortcut key number 1. What is that called? Shortcut key Alt plus F1. This shortcut key Alt plus F1. So what I'm doing, and again I'm doing Alt plus F1. So we are getting what I had given in the notes, that select company option, then we have 2 options here. First one, select company, see here, select company. And second one, create company. So see here what? Create company.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Now it's clear. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming, my voice.
Yes, sir.
Create company, 2 option, select company and create company. See here, because I'm writing exact. So in this select option and create. So we have to select, click, then put enter. So then we are getting a screen name. What is the screen name? What I had written? Because company creation screen. See here, this is a company creation screen. In that, what I had written, PSF Training Institute. So that means I'm writing this is a company name. So what I have to write? PSF Training Institute. So I'm writing P.
So when I click that, it's showing this one.
Okay.
So it's showing the blank screen when I entered that.
No, it is there. You are not getting my computer. It's not getting.
No. See, failed to open the company, it's showing.
So it's getting or not?
No, sir. See, failed to open the company.
No, this one. This notepad, it's getting.
Which
This
one,
you
sir?
have to type. You have to type here. PSF Training Institute.
Where exactly? You need to
See in
type.
the name. In the name it's coming. So it's coming.
बस सब वेट कर रही है। So you're not audible.
So everybody, are you getting this screen? PSF training
Yes, I can see it. Yes.
institute. We have to type in this and given in this bracket. PSF even tally notes notepad. PSF training institute typing work. Okay. After that, we have mailing details, mailing contact details. So in that notes, you please mention that one. This one, see in it, we call it as first important features in that. What we call it as mailing and contact details. In this contact details, complete address you have to mention in this address. So we call it as, just to give an example, Mehdipatnam, complete address, like for recall, you just write as, for example, Mehdipatnam. Telangana state. Okay, all in complete information that. And again, the what we call it as statutory compliance for. So what we had given that options. These are the options. List of countries. Delhi is there in Algeria, Australia. So in this we have to select pick it option. So in the notes I had given like select and pick it option. Select and pick it option. Select and pick it option. In this I am selecting India. So where it is here? Here. देखिए यहाँ पर mention country
Sir,
India.
as I showed you that I'm not getting that screen, sir.
But I even had informed to the moderator, he's getting the screen. पता नहीं आपके पास क्यों नहीं आ रहा मैम? Other candidates are getting my screen. Other
Yeah, I can see.
Other candidates.
Yes.
Other screen.
Yes, sir.
So what we have to give? Country India you have to mention, and you have to mention the Telangana state. So here actually the version is there. So no problem, you select just not applicable because the 3.3 version. So I'll explain little bit about version. Please listen carefully about version. See here what is called the series A. Series A release 3.3. 3.3. Series and release version, because these are the updates. Tally are giving every 15 days. Why they are giving an updates? According to the customer's requirement. So please make a note in that. From GST point of view, the release is starting. What spellings of release? RELEASE. Release is 6.0.0. So that means that where the GST is starting, GST कहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है? ये रिलीज से शुरू हो रहा है. GST release जो आपको शुरू होगा 6.0 शुरू होगा. But here 3.3 I am giving. Why I am giving this? Only for practice. But even if you are practicing GST, we will work for this version. Okay, got an idea? Only for practice, we are practicing 3.3. But even after GST, we have to do this release. Clear? So in this state, we have to select not applicable. Why? Because I had given old version for practice only. Even you have to write the pin code, details. Okay, mobile number, telephone number. There is not required again. Mobile number, email ID. This is called complete information. So this what is coming into that? It's mailing and contact details head is coming. Clear? Coming to next, auto enable backup. Auto enable backup is a previous version. It's a previous version is used. Auto enable backup, previously it was that, because now it's almost like 6.7 because latest release are coming. Auto enable backup, that means that automatically the system will update it what you had done. But this feature right now it's not available in the new one. This is the old version. But right now it's not required, but haven't required an idea. Idea in the sense auto enable backup means auto means what? Automatic. Auto means what? Auto backup. Auto means auto backup in the sense auto backup in the sense automatically will take up the backup. Automatically it will take up the backup, even if you are not taking a regular backup, even you have not taking a regular backup. So automatic backup, because this is you use in old versions, but in the latest version, it's not required. It is not there. In the latest version, it is not there, but we only required an idea. Assalamualaikum.
असलम भाई
Clear?
हाँ क्लियर है, आप क्लोज कर दीजिए, बस है, एक बज जाए, दूसरा कॉल है यहाँ पर। आप कंटिन्यू करना चाह रहे हैं क्या? हाँ कल हाँ कहीं वो तो ये मीटिंग और एक मीटिंग होने वाली है। ओके हाँ ठीक है, राइट, ओके, थैंक यू भाई। Mr. Trainer, can you please unmute? Still can't hear you.
हेलो सर, क्या हुआ?
Okay,
Hello, sir.
sorry about
Hello,
that.
sir.
I think
Sir. Assalamualaikum, sir.
let's close for today. We'll come back again tomorrow. I don't know, the trainer has got disconnected. एक सवाल था सबके लिए. Are you able to install that software?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes,
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, Hari, sir.
Yeah, you need to make sure that you install the software. Otherwise, it will be too much of theory. You're not able to understand.
Yes, sir.
If there are any issues with the install, you can use the WhatsApp group.
Okay, fine, sir.